Assalamualaikum and hi everyone! Welcome to our vlog. Last Wednesday on 24th May 2023, our class went to visit Kaprima Dairy Farm in Marang, Terengganu. Have you heard about Kaprima? Kaprima is Tanox's agro-business Senjam Berhad company that produced the first UHT goat milk in Malaysia. Encik Muhammad Haris Nordin quit his job as engineer and owned this company in 2011. Originally, its business model is agriculture, farming and plantation. But in 2014, his business model changed to producing goat dairy products due to high demand of goat milk in Terengganu. The first farm was located at Permaisuri Setiu with only 247 goats and 200,000 ringgit capital. So now, let me bring you to Kaprima's goat plant. The plant consists of a small goat herd containing 2 goats locally and 3 goats imported from Australia. Now look at the size difference. The imported ones have bigger size than the local goats due to the different breeds. All goats in Kaprima have been ear tagged with labels for monitoring their health condition, diet and breeding of the goats. For your information, the company also has partnership and has an off-taking agreement with local farmers to obtain the goat milk supply and veterinary support from them. For milking process, the automated milking machine is used to collect the goat's milk. In this video, we can see the example of milking process of goats. Now, we proceed to milk processing of Kaprima. In Kaprima, there is 12 steps to produce UHT goat milk, starting from cooling tank and end at the warehouse. In this video, we will show you the key step in Kaprima UHT production. The first in line is milk filter. Milk filter is used for separating unwanted particulates from the milk. Unwanted particulates can come from spores, bacteria, solid particle, or even the fat globules from the raw milk. A machine that differentiates the production of UHT goat milk and cow milk is a vacuum deaerator. This is the most important machine as it can reduce the goaty flavor in milk by vacuuming the bubbles formed during preheating of the goat milk. The next one is homogenizer. Homogenizer creates a stable emulsion where the fat globules don't rise to form a cream layer. What is UHT product without UHT system? UHT tubular system involves heating milk in a continuous process to temperature higher than 135 degrees Celsius for a few seconds to kill the bacterial endospores. Next in line is the filling machine. It is used to fill the bottle with a specified and precise volume of the milk. The last one is retort. Basically, it involves heating the milk in hermetically sealed containers to extend their shelf life. The explosion will occur when the milk has been spoiled by the bacteria when kept for 5 days. For now, Kaprima has produced 6 flavors, which are dates, chocolate, corn, original, coffee latte, and strawberry. Besides UHT goat milk, Kaprima also produces fresh goat milk, organic fertilizer, mutton, which comes from goat's milk, goat milk soap, and goat milk ice cream. In the future, we will find another 3 flavors from Kaprima, which are coffee with tongkat ali, mocha, and caramel. So let's pray that these 3 flavors will success their R&D stage. Now, let's move on to the quality control and testing. The test was carried out in the processing plant and in the laboratory. There are 3 types of tests that was carried out in the processing plant, which are the pH test, microbial test, and sealing test. For pH test, if the pH is too low or we call it as acidic, the goat milk will be rejected because the sour taste will lead to different taste. And usually, the pH of goat milk is ranged between 6.4 to 7.2. For your information, the pH can be raised by adding the sodium bicarbonate to the milk. Kaprimas usually use their TPC or total plate count for their microbial test. For fat content and total non-solid fat content, it will be tested in the laboratory. The sealing test exists to check whether the milk bottle is tightly sealed by immersing the filled bottles in a water tank. If the bottle is float, then it is fully sealed. But If the bottle is sink, there is a defect on their bottle. For animal welfare and sustainability, the goat shed must located away from milk processing plant. Grown the napier grass to supply feeds for goats. Well waste management by developing the organic fertilizer from goat's waste. Encik Haris stated that in the future, Kaprima will use modern shed to improve the living condition that can improve the quality of goat milk.